Ano, kaya mo ba? Ayan, napali ang patuloy ng puto. Daddy, so dito na po ulit tayo sa unahan. Ang first thing na nilalaman ko po ang ating mga guests sa magsitayo at sabay-sabay po natin ang hita na malakas sa happy birthday. Ang ating birthday boy na walang iba kundi si Aiden. Okay, so please stand up po ang ating mga guests. Okay, so para po sa lahat ng ating mga guests, get ready. Let's sing the happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, ngayon naman mas mabilis at malakas na Jolly Birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes, sabay-sabay po natin isigaw ng malakas ang happy birthday. Aiden, ready? 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy birthday, Aiden!
Palapakan naman natin ang ating birthday ko. Happy birthday! So, mommy and daddy, help po natin si Aiden na mag-blow ng kanyang first candle in 1, 2, 3, and blow.
That's yours. That's yours. That's yours.
Palapakan naman natin ang ating birthday ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, we're now so mommy and daddy, tatanungin po namin sa inyo ngayon kung ano po ang inyong birthday wish para kay Aiden. Okay, susundan po natin kay Daddy Nico. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga guests. So, pwede na po tayo bumalik sa ating mga upuan. Okay, for now, so Sir Aiden, what is your birthday wish for Aiden? Sorry. Sir Nico, what is your birthday wish for Aiden?
My birthday wish for Aiden is that your results to be where we want to be.
Maraming salamat, Sir Nico. Okay, for now, so mommy, sa inyo naman po.
Birthday wish ko kay kang malusog, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, tsaka lumaki kang malayo sa lapis at hanap, lumaki kang kumpleto pa rin tayo sa Diyos. Yun lang.
Palakpakan naman natin si Daddy Nico at si Mama Angela. Maraming salamat po for now. So best friend Joy, Mateo ka na kailang mommy and daddy to choose si deserving Aiden's first birthday celebration, okay? So maraming salamat sa pagpunta and mag-iingat ka sa pagbalik sa mundo ng Jolly Town best friend Jollibee.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, bring out sa lahat ng ating mga kids. Okay, so pila kayo dito sa unahan for your loot bags. Okay, come on, Jolly Kids, pila kayo dito sa unahan.
Happy birthday.